Hey friends, welcome back to your girl Brittany, and I'm super excited to share what I received in the Kit N Caboodle swap that I hosted over on my BB's Crafty Pete's Facebook page. And my partner is Raquel, and she is Crafty Caboose here on YouTube, and I am so excited. I cannot wait to dig in. Look at the cutest little card that she sent. Look at it. We liked, cutesy, and we told each other like certain brands that we like and everything, so we kind of just went ahead and went with that. But this is the paper collection. Here are some fun little goodies. I can't wait any longer, so let's dive right in. Alright, so I'm gonna put the card to the side here, and look at these cute little goodies. She hooked me up with a stand DIY. Oh, it's so sweet. I had got this one. This was a die that Davina, who is Little Pink Crafter, had made me in a swap that we did. And then I was actually, this die was inspired by this, and then I was inspired by this die and I made an SVG. So my Etsy shop is down below in the description box if you're interested. It's very popular. So thank you so much. And then she's also gifted me Spellbinders cutting dies. This is really cute. This is cute. I like that. Super cute. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. So I want to go through the paper collection, because then that gives me more of the idea of what I am going to see on the inside. She has a little binder clip and with the little ice cream here dangling on there. So cute. So kind of a refresher, if I can remember. We're supposed to do I believe 6 double-sided pieces of cardstock along with 6 solid. It's supposed to do sequin mix, 2 embellishments, I think a bead mix, charm mix, I want to say, and I don't know, we're gonna have to just look because I can't remember everything. But I didn't feel like digging these out, but we had like these little small cutter parts that were in here. So we have like little swimsuit and flip-flops, and then it says Summer Dreams. We have this cute little lollipop, not lollipop, but ice cream pieces. We have a little Ferris wheel. We have this one with the flip-flops. This is my happy place. And then enjoy the ride. Live a bikini kind of life. Yes, girl. Live in the sunshine. Ice cream is always a good idea. So if you have not noticed, we are going on with the summer theme. It says you make me happy. We have the little lanterns here, and then we have the collection. So this one has a bunch of different sentiments, hashtag selfie, hello, summer, so on and so forth. And then on the other side, we have the little ice cream pops. And then here, that's fun. I like that. Oh, super cute. And then this one here, we have little tickets. And then we have the yellow with white polka dots. Ooh, I love this one. I don't know, because pink, it stood out. And we have the Ferris wheels. Then we have the flamingos. And then the bathing suits. Sunglasses. And then we have like a fun little like wall texture. We have various ice creams. And then we have some green and white stripes. And then we have orange and white polka dots. Oh, I think this is just like the solids. Or no, I think this could be with the solids. And then she also included pink, and then a yellow, orange, and then that green. So very cute. I like, this is gonna be fun. So then when I go back to do summer crafting next year, I have a nice little kit to get me going. You know what I mean? And then the start of the show. Look at how adorable. Supposed to decorate the outside. Put the partner's name on it, so it's all nice and personalized. She has a super cute little pink box. I love it. I love it. Really pretty flower buttons here. Then she added some pearls for the center. She did some border cuts and added gems on the little scallop portion. We have some pom-pom trim. And look, that's me. Hey, girl. Hey. And then she even added some to the little tab here. Oh, cute little flamingo. Everything's so pink. I love it. Oh yeah, and trim. Now that I remember. But look at the inside. She decorated the inside. She added some shred in here. Ooh, make it all fun and festive. Keep it on the desk, make it look pretty. Look, I love I don't know who started this, but I love doing this whenever I give a whole roll of like trim or ribbon. I like decorating it, and she did such a fantastic job with that. It says fun in the sunshine with the Ferris wheel. We have a little windmill. It's like, keep going in circles, I'll figure it out. And then we have a little heart there, and it's pink. Good, because I'm actually out, so good. And then she's all, ooh, pops of color. Now this is by scrapbook.com, and I'm pretty sure it's kind of like Nouveau Jobs. And actually I don't have this color, and I am super excited for this. Thank you. That's so sweet of you. All right, where do I begin? All right, so she has included, look at these. Oh my gosh, I don't want to open it because then it's going to take me 20 years to get it back in there. But she did some Velcro for the closure, so I can go ahead and have easy open. Add a cute little pink tassel. It has watermelons on there. And so inside we have a little strawberry. We have a watermelon sickle. And look at the little ducky. Oh my goodness. Then we have ice cream. We have a donut. We have a little ice cream cone here. We have some flowers. We have a heart. Orange and blue heart. We have the peace sign. Oh, look at the balloon dog. Oh, for cute. And then we have like the, I don't know if I mentioned the flowers, but you have the yellow, pink, and then the green. And then we have like a little orangey color here. So cute. Thank you. And then her sequin mix. She has decorated the baggie. How cute. I love the colors. Really, really pretty. I love the little iridescent stars in there. We have the pinks, blues. We got orange, yellow. So she did a really good job pulling the colors from the collection and adding it in there. Oh my gosh, look at this. And the cute little girl in the little floaty. How cute is that? We have a banner with the sun there, and it says I meant one, and she hooked me up with a spoon. That is so cute. And then here she's added some jemmies. Look at these. Oh, I love these hearts. Oh, those are cute. Little stickers. And then we have some silver bling, and then we have some little enamel dots here in rainbow colors. So cute. And then we have, oh, those are her embellishments. I want to get to those later here. And then we have her sequin mix, the cute little container. It says Summer Lovin' with the heart. And then she's added some iridescent. Oh, so this is just like little extra goodies. I don't know. I'll take it. We have some little clay pieces. We have like the little sprinkles. We have some bling in there. Various little pieces. How cute is that? Super cute. And then here we have some bling. What are you guys getting these little containers? Oh my goodness, you're so adorable. Just did the Christmas in July swap, and I think it was Jen who had one of these containers too. I can't open you. Why? Why won't you open? Am I opening it wrong? Is it taped up? That's why, Brittany. I would have figured it out eventually, y'all. Probably yelling in the background, it's taped. All right. For funny. Okay. So we have some little flat back gems. We have the pinks and white and pretty, pretty, pretty mint green. Oh, I love that. Pick up. So cute. She added a little ice cream cone on there. And then here she's added some wooden veneer pieces. Okay. That frame's being a butthead, but it says good times. And then we have one that says sun in the middle of the sun. We have a speech bubble that says hello. And we have the cutest little clouds. Oh my goodness. This one has the star. This one has a heart. How cute are those? I love it. Did you, were these store-bought, or did you have somebody make them? I know ML Sosi, Instagram, she has been doing them, and that's my go-to girl if I need anything. And then, ooh, what is this? This is a plus pin. This one. Ooh, do you like write? I need to know. You guys know my thing about pens. I need to. Okay. Ooh. I don't have any white paper like right near me right now. So I can't like definitively get into it. Love. Alright. I had to see. So in my pen jar you go. And the little ice cream cone. Is this the lip gloss? Why can't I open things? Here we go. Ooh, it smells pretty good. Cute. Keep that in the car. And then here is her bead mix. Love this bag. Oh, I love this bag. This is so cute. And then she added a little ice cream cone here. A little charm up here in the corner. This bag is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. And she added some wooden beads. We had the pink, blue, and white and yellow. And she had some little flip-flop beads. I have never seen those. And those are so stinking cute. I love it. And then on to her embellishments. How cute are these? So she did some crepe paper embellishments. This one says Summer Memories with the cute little flip-flops. She has, wait. Make sure that's on the inside. Yeah. First, I felt like a sticker. She has a little bathing suit with the little flamingos in the back, and then she added some flat back pink pearls. And then here it says, we all scream for ice cream with the ice cream cone little heart there. And then she added some little sprinkles on there as well. How cute are those? Adorable. And then here are her other two embellishments. I love these. Look at how cute these are. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. She did a little sunglass shaker with the little balls, and she added some gems in the corner, cloud in the center, and then here we have a beach bag. We have the little sunglasses. It came with those little tiny sunglasses. How cute! And then she has like the little handles here, flower with the enamel dot in the center, and a cute little tie around the bag. How cute are these? This is so fun. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for being my partner. Guys, make sure you go show your love over to Raquel. I will have her stuff down below in the description box. Make sure you check her out and subscribe and follow. Again, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.